Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is another one in my December daily mini-series. The first video I shared with you guys my pre-setup of all the goodies that I plan on using. I have them in one central location. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some previous examples of December dailies that I've done. Some of them have rocked, some of them have failed. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first one that I had in a personal traveler's notebook. This is when I first discovered traveler's notebooks. I made this myself. This was actually a craft paper insert, but I wanted to add more pages. So I took it apart, tried to staple it. I mean, y'all, I did the works. So I have videos on each and every one of these. I will be sure to link them in the description box, but let's go down memory lane. So here we have it. December 1st, December 3rd, I mean, we just kept going and going. I mean, I added pockets. Here's a little angel thing here. I got this from like a Christmas thing that I went to when I did my first like big giveaway. And this pocket is actually from May Designs packaging. And then I have more here. I stuck some paper in here. This pocket actually has tissue paper. I DIY'd the heck out of this. The giveaway prizes and the winners, the holiday movies I watched, keep going. This one, more giveaway winners. And these are actually list pads from Target. So, and this is washi tape from Target as well. I just took the December portion and then wrote in the number. This was actually a card that I received and I wrote a scripture on it. This is Matthew 6, verse 34. Do not be anxious about tomorrow, for tomorrow will be anxious for itself. Sufficient for the day is its own trouble. And then I continued it on the back of here. And all of these stickers are those from those dollar sticker books. I did put in some football games in here. This was when my friend turned 30. So this was 2016. Yep, 2016 is when this one is from. And just more stuff. I made like a little Christmas classics. This is just regular computer paper. I taped it in here. And yeah, this was my first go at a December daily and I actually completed this one. And then this is a little envelope from a card I had received, and then inside of here, this is from my church. I had made Christmas cards and I kept an example inside of there. So wow, look at that. The last page doesn't have anything. This is actually a bag that I cut. Well, it was a mason jar bag. I took the other half of it and just popped it there. And this is also from a card and I stuck it on there. And I painted this notebook. I don't remember what color it was, but yep. I mean, it's busting out of the seams, but it holds a lot of great memories from that year. Number 2 that I did was actually a notebook. I don't know if I created this one or I think I might have, because it has staples. And this is actually a Dollar Tree card that I put on the front of here, and I knew I wanted to use the card for this. And then when you open it, I was going to put like pictures and everything. This was my December daily fail. I was going to put pictures and everything inside of here, and I have like Velcro, and I still think it's really, really cute. And then the paper that I covered on the outside of it is from, where is that from? Hobby Lobby. So a great tip is to take the cards from Dollar Tree, the Hallmark ones. You can either get 2 for $1 or $1 a card. And this is actually a 3D sticker that I popped on the front that I thought was super cute. So adds another dimensional element to it. So I wrote happy holidays. Let me see. I used some stickers in here. I don't know what's on these pages, but yeah. I filled in from December 1st to December 10th, and then that was about it. So I also ended up getting sick during this time. So I had like some type of virus. So I don't know. I got sick. But here's what my day would look like. These cards are actually from Tuesday morning, and I taped them in here. And then this is a sticker from Target to just number the days, and this was from 2017. So there we go. And then I put Christmas movies I'm watching. I watched Noel, which had Penelope Cruz, Paul Walker, Robin Williams, and Susan Sarandon. I watched Shrek the Halls, Christmas in the Smokies, and I was going to just keep writing in all the movies that I watched, y'all. Fail. So, yeah, like I said, got sick during this time. And then the 11th, and so on and so forth. And I went all the way to the 25th, and I just didn't finish it. So I think the concept was cute, but I just didn't follow through with this one. Then last year I made one, and this is a disc-bound one, and I decided to just turn this into like kind of a capsule one. I do have a full flip on this, but just to show you guys a snapshot, this is actually a cover that I cut down from something, I don't remember. These are Happy Planner discs. This is Hobby Lobby paper. These are Christmas cards and tags and things of that nature that I just layered inside of here. I have Christmas songs, a wish list, my nephews, my babies. When I had my ugly sweater Christmas party, this wasn't from 2018. This was just in general. These are like baby pictures. So I kind of just turned this into a mini little capsule one. Then for the holiday movies on Netflix, just to share with you guys what I watched, what I have watched in general: The Christmas Chronicles, The Holiday Calendar, A Christmas Prince, Christmas with You, The Princess Switch, Christmas Wedding Planner, 48 Christmas Wishes, A Christmas Prince Royal Wedding, The Spirit of Christmas, Merry Christmas, You Can't Fight Christmas, A Dog Walker's Christmas Tale, and Miss Me This Christmas. Actually, I don't think I watched any of these. I might have watched one or two, but I think I just wrote down what was on Netflix. Anyway, and then movies that I've seen on Christmas Day, I saw Ali, the Muhammad Ali one. That was actually the first movie I ever saw on Christmas Day. And then one year I saw Django. And then 12 Days of Christmas, I just popped these stickers in. This is also from my holiday party that I had that year. And what I'm actually gonna do is hole punch it now so that I don't lose it. Oh, it doesn't really go here. It goes back here. There we go. Boom. So these 4x6 cards fit perfectly inside of here. That's a plus. So I definitely want to add more pictures and into my next one. So yeah, back over here, another tag that I used. And then I wrote a little fun fact about the 12 days of Christmas, the longest Christmas song ever. And then I just put this here. And then these paper clips are from Peony's Paperie. My favorite treats, one of them was hot chocolate. This was like a freebie in a planner group on Facebook. And then I just punched this here. A winter bucket list. And then Christmas Eve 2018. I didn't write that at all. I don't remember what I did on Christmas Eve 2018. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't remember. But yeah, so that is my December dailies 2016, 2017, and 2018. And I'm excited to create the one for 2019, which I will be sharing with you guys in the next video. So stay tuned for that. That one's just basically going to be a setup of how I'm going to have the pages laid out, kind of like this. And then at the end, I will share with you guys maybe a couple updates in between. If you guys are interested in that, let me know, comment below if you would like to see updates in between. But when it's all said and done, at the end of the year, I'll be giving a complete flip of my December daily. So that wraps it up for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have any products featured that I can remember. I'll have it linked there, as well as related videos and the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and a notification bell. Would love to have you around. And for all of you that are, for all of you that leave me amazing comments, I thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.